Welcome, everyone. My name is Jamie Williamson. I'm the Executive Vice President here at Scripps Research. And let me be the first to welcome you to the Spectrum. We have packed 2 days of scientific discussions about the future of biomedical research. The concept of the spectrum is really the range of possibilities, and there's a few spectra that we'll be discussing today. One of them is the spectrum of basic research, ranging from chemistry through biology. Another is translational research, ranging from bench to bedside. And then another spectrum is the partnerships between academia and industry. Creating new medicines requires significant resources, and there are a variety of agencies that work independently to provide resources for that. And one of the purposes of today is to bring together these various agencies for a discussion about how we might cooperate and conspire to make this process more efficient. So that's one of the spectra. I'd like to just introduce the Scripps Research Institute. We have 5 departments across 2 campuses, and we have structural biology, chemistry, neuroscience, immunology, and molecular medicine. We also have 2 institutes within Scripps. One is Caliber, which is the not-for-profit Biomedical Research Institute, and the other is the Scripps Research Translational Institute, led by Dr. Eric Topol. And in fact, these 2 institutes provide much of the fodder for today's discussion. So today we'll be focused on biomedical research, and tomorrow we'll be focused on the future of individualized medicine. The first spectrum was in 2019, and the future of individualized medicine has been an annual event, and we're joining forces for these 2 events today in this virtual format. In translational medicine, there's an awful lot of steps to what has to happen in order to create a new medicine, and they're listed here. And this represents yet another aspect of the spectrum that we'll be discussing today. And I think, as everyone is well aware, we had some pressing medical challenges in the world. And one of the things we need to be able to do is be nimble and deft and adapting to changing conditions. And it's been a remarkable series of events that have led to treatments and vaccines for the coronavirus in the past year. So I want the chameleon to be emblematic of the ability to rapidly change your spectrum in response to a changing environment. I need to thank our sponsors, and they're listed here, and there are additional sponsors listed in your program. So thank you very much for the generous support of this mission and for engaging us with this discussion.